Good morning, folks. We're back on the Willis, no ducks allowed, 56 tetanus shot. I'm gonna put electric power steering on it. So I gotta disconnect this steering gear box. It's got the old original Ross, and I think for now I'm gonna go with it. Although over there on that 73, I have another box. It's possible it's a sag valve. Right now, this is what I'm doing. I'll be back. Well, none the worse for wear. I've been working on tetanus shot, putting that electric power steering. So now I have a Toyota wheel. Here's the old Jeep wheel. Oh, darn it, look at there. I forgot to put a little spacer in here. I still got to do that. It's like about 1.5 inches. Put that spacer, but anyway, under the dash is the power steering unit. I've got it mounted up there to the firewall. And of course, the final deal is that we turn the wheel to the left. And there it goes. Turn it back to the right. Turns like crazy. I think that's a win. Okay. Only got a 20 amp fuse. I believe I need a 30 though, because I've popped it twice. Okay. Thanks for watching.